The material is heated, mixed, and prepared to become the base of every cup.
Anything is made, every batch is checked to make sure the quality is perfect.
Raw materials, carefully delivered and prepared for production.
Going inside a modern cup-making factory to see how millions of cups are made every single
Is where the magic happens. Machines shape the material into perfect cups in seconds.
Each cup is formed with extreme precision to ensure the same perfect shape every time.
Next, the cups are cooled so they can hold their shape and strength.
smooth the edges, making each cup safe and comfortable to use.
Every cup is inspected. Only the best ones move forward. Their final look, with logos and designs printed at high speed.
Cups perfectly, ready for packing.
Everything is packed, sealed, and labeled for delivery around the world.
Wait here, ready to be shipped to stores and cafes.
Or to delivery trucks, these cups are ready to go.
And that's how a simple cup goes from raw material to your hands.